guys, here's my outfit. It was gonna be a lot dressier, but I feel like I don't know, kind of feeling with it. I don't know. It's like these puff sleeves from Danielle Bernstein collection at Macy's, and then I'm wearing these brandy pant jeans, these Chelsea boots, which I'm obsessed with, this belt, this necklace, gold hoops. Yeah. I don't know if I'm feeling it low-key, but I mean, I think it's a vibe. Or you just here.
Hey guys, it's Isha.
Okay, can you please like do something? What, me? I thought you needed to go something in the back.
Hey guys, we're currently taking pics. I can't see anything, so I'm kind of squinting, but we're taking pics right now. But we're at the rooftop. It's nice, and it's really cold today, which is good because it's been really hot for October. So I feel like fall. I got some, but I kind of hate them, so I'm gonna make them take more of me. Comment down below if you play Among Us, because I've been playing a lot recently. It's actually fun. If you play it, then we should play together. My name's usually either Sus or Hi Kitty.
You guys, okay, so we're on the rooftop now. Everyone, come and say hi. We're taking outfit pics, and look at their fits, guys. Look at it. They're kind of low-key sync, and I'm digging it. We're getting cheesecake, and I'm excited.
Me too.
They haven't had it in a while, so.
I've never been.
Oh, she's never been. It's so good. I'm ready for cheesecake. I'm not gonna vlog as much because I want to spend the time in the moment. So yeah, we'll see when you see you. We'll see you when I. Oh wait, let's see. Hold, let me put my seat back. We look like 3 bobbleheads. Okay. Wait, what filter are you using?
You posted that back in the
Yes, I don't care. You guys are taking too fucking. Wait, what'd you post? Just me. Ready? My head is like. Wait, can you save it? I liked it.
Because you end up posting it.
Yep.
Can you do it again?
No.
Your angle is so bad.
Bitch, I just want to take it and go.
Friday night. Woo!
Friday night.
Is this on?
Oh, we're not gonna go. Oh shit. Oopsies. Those pictures you took were so bad.
What did he say?
But we have to live in the moment.
Okay.
Okay? What are you talking about? What are you saying?
The one Sarah posted looks like I have a damn mole on my nose.
Bitch, the one time.
No, it's just a filter.
I know, but it looks too like realistic.
Ew, Sarah, do you see what you posted?
Sorry, please delete that shit, bro. That's not even
Delete that shit. Delete that shit right now.
Please delete that.
Okay, wait, let me
You need to stop posting pictures I don't like. Like that would be laughing. You know how insecure you bitch fucking made me? What the f are you talking about?
That was
delete.
cute.
People already saw. No. We'll take it again. Okay, we're taking more.
Is that a parking spot? It is.
You're playing Among Us?
Yes.
Oh my god, we should play together.
Yeah, we should.
Hold up. Bismillah, yaar.
Kya kariye tu?
Backing up. I can't believe I found this and I parked backwards. Look at me go. Wait, that's so good.
The filter.
Bitch, that looks. Yo, look at this photo. I just slapped her. Okay, you can't see it, but it looks good.
This bitch said, that looks good.
Okay, guys, we're at Cheesecake. And look at our pizza. I got the tomato, basil, mozzarella. She got spinach and mozzarella. Yeah. She got the Impossible Burger. It's about to hit. What kind of light? Within my pics. How influencers are. Okay, we're not influencers. This is really big. Oh, these are like tiny. Wait, I probably did not have napkins. Okay, but yeah, we're like. Good. This is one of mine for now. Better than the one I've had before. It's so good. Look at this big. You don't like it? Interesting. I'll take another bite. Me?
It's really close.
Oh. Back at the rooftop, and look at that sunset. So nice. So nice, so nice. Just had cheesecake and food. It was really good. And now we're just like taking some more pictures because that's what we do. Look at her go off. It's finally getting cold here in Georgia, y'all.
Also, I'm digging the puff sleeves. I look very like fashiony New York Soho kind of vibe. Living for it. One second. Look at that. Wait, I just want to put my phone here, or video here.
For real, and this bitch is... Hello?
It's really cold. And we're eating rooftop. And it's really cold. And yeah. It's so cold, but like, look at the sky. This is so cute. The vibes. Stop. TikTok time, bitches.
Guys, go back, go back, go back.
Very cold. Okay, now what?
Oh wait, I forgot we were doing that. Do that again.
Thing out. Shut the f up. Look at the moon. Sorry, you literally scared the shit out of me. What is wrong with the moon? Look at this shit. It's funny, but they're chasing us. Oopsie, I scared her. What? I'm opening. I'm getting my keys.
On Monday, never need no one else, babe. 'Cause I'll be switching in positions for you. Getting in the kitchen and I'm feeling better.
We didn't get many closes. What? We didn't get closes. Are you tired? I like that. You like that?
That's so cute.
I know. Nisha, you like that? That's pretty. Like this is that. And then our pics look so good.
It's a bit later now. I've been home for a while. I just finished my leftovers as well. The cheesecake is just so good. The red velvet. Love it. I've been editing my pictures. They're turning out really well. I'm using my presets. It's a new pack that I've been working on, which I'm really proud of actually. So I'm excited to release that. So follow Enhanced Style Presets on Instagram to be updated on like new things that are coming up, which yeah, I'm actually really proud of this pack. I love it. Anyways, I've been using it and I'm just exporting. I literally have no storage on this iPhone anymore. I need to get a new phone. This is the iPhone 7 Plus. God, I really need a new phone. And my battery has been dying like crazy. I swear to God, like after I updated to iOS like 14 or whatever the heck it is now, my battery just like dropped. Comment down below also some new video ideas. I've been trying to do more fashion-y videos, I feel like, but instead of like a lot of vlogs, which I do love, but I want to do more fashion inspo stuff like that. It's a bit later now and I am in my comfy clothes. I'm really comfortable, but I'm gonna go take my makeup off and my hoops and call it a night basically, you know. Not much going on. I tried to do this TikTok for the past I think 30 minutes. It just didn't work out and then I just posted it anyways, so whatever I guess. But yeah, I'll see you guys tomorrow morning. Hey y'all. Hold up. Okay, it's the next day. It's kind of a late start. I just came back from, it's like 2:20 now, but I just came back from Publix and then Party City and then I think that's it, yeah. But I just had to get some stuff, some candy for tonight. Yeah, I'm just hanging out with my friend Anusha. We're just gonna watch movies and have pizza. So fun! But yeah, that's the move. I need to make my bed. I haven't even done that. This ain't a race. Tony Lopez caught a case. Okay. Somebody clearly used my makeup because I don't use this much pink. Interesting. Interesting. I have to film. I really need to film right now and do like this fashion video and like get clips for it because that I'm doing. So I think I'm gonna do that. Okay. I lost my freaking chapstick and I don't know where it went. I literally just bought a new one too, so kind of sad about that. Okay, and then what I'm gonna do is just gonna add some highlight, liquid highlighter, so it looks like I have a little bit of glow, you know. I'm gonna go film and I'll catch you guys after that. I don't know if this is a very exciting weekend, but I hope it is. I I hope it does. Hey guys, I just finished filming. I hope it turns out well. I have to edit all this video. I'm trying to get it up by Sunday. I don't know if I can do that, which is tomorrow actually. So I doubt I could do that. But I made a huge mess. There's clothes everywhere. And I have to clean it all up now, which is great, lovely. But yeah, I really enjoyed making this like fashion video. And I want to do more fashion on my channel, so yeah. Here's the mess I created. There's just clothes everywhere and like accessories and all that kind of stuff. But what is this? Glossier. Interesting. Okay y'all, here's the casual fit. Airy leggings, socks, I don't know from where. A Nike black hoodie. So Halloween-y. I remember before when we used to go trick-or-treating when I was little, me and my friends, I would always be pajama girl and just wear my pajamas. So yeah, we love that. But yeah, I can't wait to have some pizza and watch scary movies. Turn up. Hey guys. Long time no see, I guess. I just came back from, okay, you really can't see me actually. Okay, it's like 11 now actually, and I'm just leaving her house. We watched Invisible Man. It was an interesting movie, not really scary. It was fun, didn't really vlog today, so sorry about that. I'm not honestly doing anything tomorrow, so I don't even know if I'll get, yo, you can't even see me. Anyways, I'm gonna go now. I have to go pick up my sister from her friend's house, so we're gonna go do that, and I'll see you guys tomorrow. It is Sunday morning. It's actually 12 now basically, but I was just doing some like school stuff. I was taking a quiz that it's like due tomorrow, but I like to do it on Sunday so I can get it over with. Okay, I'm just literally going on Instagram looking at everyone's Halloween outfits. I didn't have a Halloween outfit. It's fine though. I literally have an exam on Saturday and I hate it. Like, it's for my accounting class, but like I hate how she does it on Saturdays. It's annoying. But I have to study for it. It's like freaking 5 chapters and there's just so much stuff involved in this unit. I'm like, girl. And yeah, I'm gonna go eat now, so see you guys after, and I have to go take a shower. Love it. It's been a few hours later actually, and I've been just like going on TikTok literally. And yeah, I made this TikTok because I've seen it all over my For You page where it's like, tell us a scandal about your school, so I was going to do one. I don't know if I should post it though, but I'll tell you guys on here what happened. It's like this girl, and then I talk. But basically, I was a freshman and it was our 3rd period, and we were in class and we got an announcement saying we have to go into lockdown and that there's a code red happening. So we're like, okay, just like a, you know, another drill or whatever, because American high schools. We were in a closet basically. That was where we were hiding, and it was like 2 hours later, and we were like, okay, this is definitely not a drill. Like, we've been in here forever and they haven't come back and saying, okay, it's a drill, like you guys can go back to class or whatever, you know. So we're like, okay, we're panicking basically and having panic attacks. We're like, okay, this is definitely like something's happening. So we were texting like other people around the school, like figuring out what's happening, and we found out basically that apparently there's an intruder at the school, and that they're gonna shoot up the school. So now we're freaking out, like seriously freaking out. We're like, oh my god, like what the heck. A few hours go by, there's like cops on the property, there's SWAT, there's dogs, there's the helicopter roaming around, news is outside, like everyone is like freaking out. People are texting their parents. I honestly don't remember what I was doing. I probably was having a panic attack because that's traumatizing. I don't even think it hit me that we were going through that situation actually. I'm just here like, oh, whatever. But you know, I'm not thinking about it. I'm like, that's not whatever, like that was crazy. A few hours go by and then they finally say that it was a hoax. So they call it as a hoax because it was a hoax. Basically this girl, it was all fake. There was no intruder, there was no gun, there was no nothing. This girl basically, she texted 911 because back then that was like the new thing, the new like feature came out where you could text 911, and she was like, there's an intruder at the school, they have a gun or whatever. and that's when it started. And she got arrested. She had like 3 charges on her. I don't know if I think she went to jail. I really don't know what happened to her, but that was very traumatizing. Like, now looking back at it, I'm like, oh my god, that was actually crazy. I can't believe we went through that. Like, we were on the news and everything. Oh my god, like little freshman me, I'm like, what is happening, what is happening? Oh god, I don't think I actually understood the situation back then. Funny thing is, that girl who got arrested, after I saw her mugshot on Twitter, I was like, wait a minute. Me and my friend, like, it was a Monday when it happened, so like the week before that Friday, it was game day at our school, so it was a home game, and we literally ran in, like, she came up to us at the ticket booth to like enter the game, and she was asking us for money to enter, and we're like, girl, what? Like, no. And then we like ran away, and that's the same girl who pulled this huge thing. Crazy people, y'all, what the heck. Okay, but I think I'm going to end the video here. I hope you guys liked it. Be sure to give this video a big thumbs up, subscribe down below if you're new here for more videos every single week. I try to do that, but yeah, I hope you guys like this video, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Peace.
That's facts. Big blue bills in the bank, let's chat.